Plumbers have been hiding from you all your life. Secret revealed to never get clogged toilet. The best way you will learn in your whole life to solve this problem. And all this using only a few ingredients present in any home. I'm sure you've had problems with a clogged toilet before. Usually, the first reaction of people to find themselves in this situation is to use a plunger to try to fix the problem. But by doing so, they don't realize that they just make it worse. For this tip, the first thing we will use is some alcohol. I'm spreading it with the help of a spray bottle. Then with the help of a little paper, I will dry the excess alcohol. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Joe Hudson from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. To continue this trick, we will need a garbage bag. Even your friends will ask you to teach them how to do this trick, because it's really efficient. Even I was surprised the first time I did it. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for having taught you. I never again had to spend money asking other people to solve this problem for me. Instead, I make this tip very easy, fast and simple. I'm sure you'll get into your routine, just like you got into mine. Let's put the garbage bag over the toilet, just like I'm doing. To make sure he doesn't get away, I'm gonna put on some duct tape. Best of all, we can do this trick without buying those expensive products sold in conventional markets. Next, I will lower the lid of the toilet. To conclude this tip, just do a little force over the lid closed. The pressure we're gonna put on the toilet bowl is gonna make all the water that's clogged go away, once and for all. Tell me if you've done anything like this before. I'd love to know. Even my family asks me, what is the secret to unclogging the toilet so easily and quickly? Even we can trigger the discharge without fear that the water will overflow again. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.